Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Hilman bin Muhammad Hasbi, and I will tell you the overview of our assignment. For this assignment, we were instructed to construct a simple circuit, and from the circuit, we have to measure the value of voltage and current for each component in the circuit using multimeter. Next, we have to do the simulation of the constructed circuit and measure the same value using the simulation tools. Lastly, for discussion, we observe the comparison between the actual circuit and simulation circuit. The components we use to construct the circuit are oscilloscope, which work as the AC power supply, the resistance, capacitance and inductance decade box, and lastly, to measure the current and voltage value, we use multimeter. This is the circuit that we have constructed. All the components are connected in series. For the power supply, we use 5 volt peak to peak and 100 Hz frequency. The value of a resistor, inductor and capacitor are 15k ohms, 5 Henry and 6 microfarad respectively.
Assalamualaikum and good evening to everyone. My name is Ahmad Hafizi bin Mohtar from BEEI. Today I want to explain about how to measure voltage and current for actual circuit. To measure the voltage on electronic circuit, you have to insert the meter into the circuit. First, you have to do is touch the leads of multimeter to any 2 points in the circuit. When you do, the multimeter display the voltage that exists between those 2 points. Okay, to measure the current for actual circuit, it is a measure unit of the ampere. The most common way to measure current in a circuit is to break the circuit open and insert an ammeter in series with the circuit, so that all electrons flowing through the circuit also have to go through the meter. That's all from me.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Sabrina from class BEEI section 1. So for our simulation part, we use similar components that are according to our actual design of the circuit. We use software called Multisim to construct our simulation circuit and to measure our simulation circuit. The component that we use are 15 kilo ohms of resistance, 5 Henry of inductance, and 6 microfarads for capacitor. As for its supply, we use AC types of current, which we are already set it up into 100 Hz and 1.77 VRMS. The circuit is constructed in series as same as the actual circuit. For measuring, we use multimeter inside the multisims to measure the current and the voltage for the circuit. So for the voltage of the measurement in the circuit, the multimeter are placed in a parallel position with the component. Hence, we obtain the output for the voltage. Meanwhile, for the current measurement, the multimeter are placed in a series position with the circuit. As we know, the current in series circuits are the same. Hence, that is why the result for the component current is the same. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to all my beloved lecturers and my fellow friends. My name is Nur Raihana binti Abdul Halim. I'm from BEEI Section 1/1 and my matrix number is B0822100066. So the purpose why I'm here today is to present an assignment about actual circuit and also simulation circuit, the difference measurement between these both. So my part is I'm doing about the observations for this both measurement. So firstly, I will tell the types of error mainly in actual circuit. There are 3 types of error. Okay, that I'll explain clearly. So the actual circuit, we usually use the measurement with a multimeter with the probe connections to get a specific value, whereas simulation circuit we use a software multisim to get an accurate value from the laptop or computer. From my explanation just now about actual circuit and also simulation circuit, the difference of both. So we can see here mainly for actual circuit there are 3 types of error. Firstly is gross error, that is human error. Second is systematic error, that is instrument error, example the fault of the scale pointer. Third is random error, that is random error from the parametric system measurement. Okay, so these errors are in actual circuit, whereas simulation circuit is accurate because we do it from the software. Okay, so you can see here the observations between the voltage across the circuit for each component, where I have stated all the values for resistance, inductance and capacitance. You can also see the current value for the circuit, that is actual and also simulation that have been recorded. Okay, so there is a huge difference between the 2 type of measurements that I've already stated before. I also have done calculations for absolute error, percentage error, relative accuracy and also percentage accuracy for the components measurement in resistance, inductance and also capacitance. So all the values and formula are stated over there. So I'll proceed to the next calculations for relative accuracy and also percentage accuracy. There you can see the formula clearly and also the calculations for resistance, inductance and capacitance. Okay, so there you can see there the current for the series circuit. I already stated the errors and also accuracy value together with the formula there all. So we can see there is a huge difference in this calculation. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and bye.
Hi, it's me again, Hilman. For this part, I will present to you the overall outcome of this assignment. First, we are able to construct a functional circuit where we can measure the voltage and current of each component on the circuit without problem. Second, we are able to simulate the constructed circuit and perform the same measurement of the actual circuit without any error. Lastly, from the results, we can find that the measurement from the actual circuit is different from the simulation. This is because of the 3 types of errors that we have learned. There are cross errors, random errors and systematic errors. Despite the errors, the accuracy of the measurement is still high because of the value difference is only in small numbers. That is all. Thank you.